समस्ते केमती अच्छे समस्ते आशा करुच्छे समस्ते भल थे। बहुत दिन पर गोटे वीडियो नहीं आसी जोटा कि आम आमर स्कूटी स्कूटी आम बालीगुड़ा नुआगाँ को जर्नी कर खोजी जहाँ भी भ्यू जाक अच्छी भल भल भ्यू जाक आउ से जाक आपण मानक देखू। तो चलतु बिना डेरी करके वीडियोटा
Your glow and your color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky. Sapphire touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body, look what we found. Karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not a
बालीगुड़ार मझा मझी अच्छु ये देखिपे बिल जाक एत लंग पड़ी अच्छी आपने बिलीव करें एत सुंदर लगुच एरिया मैंने रिल्स बनवाई ये गोटे परफेक्ट जगह मत जहाँ लगुच आ बहुत लोग ये रिल्स बनाती। तो देखिपे बैकग्राउंड बहुत ही प्यारा लगुच। Something I will describe about this Ballyguda area. It's become very nice and beautiful place, middle of this Ballyguda area. So near there is Mahasingh. So you can enjoy this place by the beautiful reels and whatever may be. But this is the very fantastic and beautiful place. You can see the large area. I can speak good English, but now I am getting nervous. So don't mind. I will explain about anything English. You can comment. You can see this beautiful place. So don't mind, guys. If you enjoy this place, you want to enjoy this place, you just come to Ballyguda, middle of Ballyguda, near the Mahasingh. It's such a wonderful and fantastic place.